Good morning, students. Here I am continuing the next topic, string. So, string is a set of one or more characters and that should be enclosed in double quotes. Example, my file, and this is in a double quotes, Sunil Kumar, this is also in double quotes. So these are the examples of string, and there may be a single character, but double quotes is a compulsory. So when we are storing any string, then system will store this in computer memory, such as my file. If we are storing continuously, so m will be on 0 position, y will be on 1, f will be on 2. So these are called the index value of these characters. Now Java provides the three classes working with characters or string. Working with characters, number first is a char. Char is used for a single character. Second is a string. This is used for multiple characters. And string buffer, this is also used for multiple characters. So what is the major difference between a string and a string buffer? A string is called a immutable or a unchanged string, means once initialized its content cannot be modified, whereas the string buffer is called a mutable string. Once initialized it can be modified. A string variable is created with or without new operator. Example, string name and string name equal new string, whereas string buffer is always created with the help of new operator. String buffer name equal new string buffer. So this is the example for that. And now for the string programming, first we have to study string functions. So number first function is the length. So length is only the one of the function of a string that start from 1, and all the function will be start from 0. So this the return type of the length is integer, and this will return the length of any string. So amit.length, the final answer of this will be 4. A is for starting from 1, so 1 2 3 4. Next function is a caret, an index. So this will again returns, this will the return type of this one is a character. This will return a character on a given position, amit.caret of 1. So on the 1 position we are getting here m, because the string start from 0. Next function is the index of, this is opposite of caret. The return type of this function is a integer, amit.index of m. So this will return a 1 because string start from 0. So a will be on 0 position, m will be on 1 position. Or if we are mentioning any character which is not inside in a string, then system will give the answer -1 because 0 is the starting position of a string. Next function is the last index of, so this will also return, type of this one is integer, and this returns the last occurrence of a characters in a string. So in Mississippi the I of the last position is 9. Concat function, the return type of this function is a string, and this will concat a two string and display on the screen. So amit.concat of Sing, so we will get the answer Amit Singh. Next function is a equals. This function compare a two equals exact two string exactly. If they are same, this will return true, otherwise this will return false. So poor dot equals of poor, in the first statement the answer is true because all the cases are same, whereas poor dot equals of poor, so the answer of this is false because case are not same. Next function is a equals ignore case. The return type of this function is also boolean, and this function returns true if the content is same and no case is matched. So poor dot equals ignore case of poor, that is same, answer is 2. In case of poor dot equals ignore case and poor, so in both cases whether the character's case is same or not, the answer is true. Next function is a compare to. This function is also compare a two string and returns the difference of ASCII value. Example, poor dot compare to of poor, all cases are same, so we are getting answer 0. Poor dot compare to of capital poor, so we are getting 32. Capital P and capital P, so the value is same, so we will move on the next value. Here is the small O and this is the capital O, so we will get here the answer only 32, because the ASCII value of a small letter is more as compared to a capital letter. Next function is a substring. This is used for extract a string from a string, and the return type of this function is string, and we can use this function in two ways. Example, computer.substring, if we are giving a 0, 4, so this will be a starting position and this is the last position. So last position will be work as end minus 1, so the string will return the answer from 0 to 3. So from the computer 0, 1, 2, 3, the answer is com. Second, in case we are mentioning only the one parameter in a substring, so this will be only the starting position. So from the fourth, we will get UTER 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Next function is the to uppercase. This function returns or converts the string in uppercase and the return type of this is a string. Example, computer.to uppercase, then a string is in capital letter. Computer.to uppercase, and answer is again in capital letter. So whether the input string is in capital or not, the final answer will be in capital. And the next function is a to lowercase. This is similar to a to uppercase. Here the string will be converted into lowercase letter. In the first case, we will get all the letters in a small letter. In second case, we will also get a letter in a small letter. Replace, this function returns return type of this function as a string, and this will replace a one character with another character in a string. So computer.replace, we will here replace a C. This is the old character and this is the new character. So after this we are getting the answer MOMPUTER. C will be replaced by capital M. Next function is the trim. This function remove a leading and trailing spaces, and the return type of this function is a string. So here these are the leading spaces, here is the trailing spaces dot trim, then we are getting answer only the computer. And the last function is the compare to ignore case. This function returns the value in integer, and here case will not check. So compare, this is the computer dot compare to ignore case, and here is the capital computer. So the answer of this is 0, because content is same whether the letter is same or not.